Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use AI features in photo editor on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Photos app on your smartphone, then select the photo from here. For example, I will select this one, then tap on Edit. And from here, you will find the option AI Editor. Just tap on it, and from here, you will find all the AI editing features on your Oppo A5x. For an example, you have the option of remove reflections. If you select this option, it will scan the image which you have selected and it will use AI to remove all the reflections from your image. Just like that. Then tap on Done. Now after that, you have the option of AI Recompose. If you select this option, it will use AI to suggest you edits for your photos. For example, it has selected a few crop options and it has suggested some filters for the photo. Now after that, we have the option of AI Eraser. Now for that, I will select another image. Now let's erase this person from this photo. Just tap on Edit, then select AI Editor. From here, tap on AI Erase. From here, just make sure you select Smart Lasso. Now just create a circle over the object which you want to erase. As you can see, it has detected the object which I want to erase. And as you can see, it has completely removed the person from the photo. Just like that. And after that, we have the option of AI Perfect Shot. Now this feature uses AI to automatically fix issues in group photos, such as closed eyes and awkward expressions. And after that, we have the option of Enhanced Clarity. Now for that, I will use another image. Now let's select this image, then tap on Edit. From here, tap on AI Editor, then select Enhance Clarity. Now this feature uses AI to enhance the clarity and the sharpness of the photo which you have selected. As you can see, it has improved the clarity and it has increased the sharpness of the photo which I have selected. As you can see, if I tap on Compare, you can see that this is the before and this is the after. And finally, we have the option of Unblur. Now for this, I will select another image. Now let's select this photo, then tap on Edit. From here, tap on AI Editor, then tap on Unblur. And this feature will use AI to unblur objects from your photos. As you can see, this photo was blurred before, and this feature unblurred the selected image. Just like that. And once you're finished with the editing, just tap on Done. Then select Save. And from here, you can either select Replace Original, and it will replace the original photo with the edited photo, or you can select Save Copy, and it will save the edited photo as a copy. Just like that. And this is how you can use AI features in photo editor on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.